everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. Um, just have another some unboxings for you. Actually, reveals, should I say? Because I already opened them, but they're all new to you for me. But first, I need to talk about a problem. You see, a while back, I bought this bag. And actually, about the same time, I bought this bag. And I absolutely fell in love with these bags because these remind me of the Celine Nano tote, but they're much less expensive. I think this was $195, this was $175. So I decided I had to try the leather. So here we go. Here's the leather. Again, a phenomenal buy at $375. If you do not have one of these bags, what you waiting for? These are great. They're so awesome. The leather ones, when you open them up, they even have like a leather interior pocket. I mean, these are beautiful. The canvas ones don't have the pocket inside, and I think the canvas ones are a little smaller. Just a little bit, but okay, so yeah, I got that. Well, seeing as how I just absolutely adore the color purple, I then bought this one because the Chanel purple colors, yeah, not in my budget. So I got this one. I love it. It's beautiful. Just carried it not last week, but the week before. And then what happens? Marc Jacobs comes out with this color. So even though I already have 4 bags, 2 other leather ones, I have now my 3rd leather one, which I just carried last week. And Winnie BLV, I see why you can't put this down. This baby's beautiful. I did actually manage to change out of it, and it's not the bag I'm carrying this week. My new Gucci one is the green and blue one I showed in one of the last hauls. But, you know, I figured I have 3 leather and 2 canvas. And then, of course, I take a look at the Marc Jacobs website again, and oh yeah, I have my first reveal today, orange. I was debating between the leather and the canvas, but, you know, I already have 3 leather and only 2 canvas, so it seems only fair to get another canvas one. And these, like I said, remind me so much of the Celine Nanos that getting an orange one didn't really seem like a good idea because I already have my orange leather Celine Nano, which I adore. So I got this. It was interesting. This comes with a black strap. So this is my first reveal. These are beautiful. Like I said, they don't have the pocket that the leather ones do, but the interior is a coated canvas. So you can spill in here, you can get dirt in here, and it's going to clean off. But this orange, I could not deny it. If they come out with a green, I'm even in trouble again, and I'll have to get another one. But, oh my gosh, I have 6 of these now. 6. And I'm telling you, there are other colors that I know are coming and are probably going to end up at my house because these bags are fantastic. I think if I had started out with these bags, I don't even know if I would have bought too many luxury bags, or I would have been as apt to get them because these are just so beautiful and durable, and I love everything about them. That didn't stop me from buying another tote, which will be in an unboxing somewhere in the near future. But yes, this is my first reveal, and my problem is that I have a problem buying Marc Jacobs totes. Not a bad problem to have, but a problem nonetheless. And so then, so this was my first item. My second item was from LV, Louis Vuitton. I did not know this existed. I absolutely love what's in this box. Absolutely love it. Have 3 other ones for sure, and had no idea this had come out. Actually, I lied. I have 4. I have one in Damien Zur, one in Damien Ben, one in Damien Graffiti, one in Monogram, and it wasn't until Minx for All unboxed her new bag, I forgot the Keep All, I think it is, when she said, oh, what should I get with it to go with it? A card holder or a little key clay? And I'm like, wait, what? There's a key clay in the reverse Monogram graffiti stuff? And oh yeah, there is. I went to the website and I got this new beauty. I absolutely love this. It's got the gray on one side, the black on the other. It's got it looks silver, but it's like a more like a gunmetal. Um, see, it looks silver, but it's definitely gunmetal hardware on it. I love these. I use these for my coins, actually, is what I put in them. I absolutely love them. They're easy to grab in and out of my purse, and I really like the canvas ones. I don't have any leather ones yet. No, I don't. And I'm okay with that because I use them for coins. But love this. Absolutely love this. This thing is a thing of beauty. I saw Minnie did end up getting herself one, but yeah, I got this. I got it. I already used it. It's been in my bag. I've used it for coins. It's switched out now, but yeah. Oh, love this. Love this. And I was so excited because the website had it. You can't always get what you want on the LV website. Then I got one other thing, and this is just absolutely crazy. It is from Coach. You can probably kind of see through it, but don't look. And I haven't bought Coach bags, and I bet you couple years, honestly. Just because I got into luxury, and so then I wanted to spend my money on that. And then if I was going to get something less expensive, like from Coach, I decided I'd get an SLG instead. But I got that little yellow tote that I showed last time that I just loved. And then this came out in, I think it was like a soft tabby. I think that's what it was. And the colors just caught me. But it sold out on the website right away. It was $495. And I wasn't 100% sure that I wanted to spend that much money on a Coach bag just to get something that I like the colors of. And I happened to be looking through Neiman Marcus, I believe it was. Yes, it was. Yeah. And I saw this, and it got me exactly what I wanted. It filled the niche. It was on sale for $225. Normally, I think $297. And I got, oh, I was so excited. Run, don't walk. I got the beautiful Coach camera bag. This comes with an adjustable leather strap. It's just the same color as the bag. I haven't undone it yet. Kind of like an antique gold hardware in this beautiful, beautiful hot pink and green strap. This is beautiful. I mean, this strap, it's beautiful. They sell it like this, or you can get just the exact opposite. It was really hard not to buy both. They sell the pink bag like this with the pink adjustable strap, and then the green strap with pink detail in it. I'm still really tempted to go get the other one because you could switch out everything then. You could make it however you wanted to make it. These camera bags are a really nice size. If you open them up, they have a textile interior. It's got one leather small pocket. You could probably put like some cards in there or something. And then a little bit bigger slip pocket. But, you know, you can carry all your essentials in here. You can use the one strap or the other strap. And it's got the textured pebbled leather. It's beautiful. It's got a little sticker on here. And I was going to attempt to peel it off, but oh, yep, there we go. There went the sticker. Can you see that? And so, yeah, so I went and grabbed that. The retail price on it is hard to see because of my tired old eyes, $295. But like I said, they had these on sale, and it was Neiman Marcus or Nordstrom. I think, now that I think about it, maybe it was Nordstrom. It was one or the other. But I just thought that was a great price. $225 for this. It's leather. Smells like leather, and just such a fun strap for summer. I could switch this out on a couple of other bags if I wanted to, but yeah, just a lot of fun. So those are the three things I have to unbox. I'll have another unboxing that'll be coming up relatively soon, and I think I might do some what fits in my bags, just to kind of show you the differences, because I know that for me, it was funny. Winnie BLV says she never knows what size anything is, and I'm kind of like the same way. I look at stuff and I think I know, and I measure things, and then I'm like, boy, this really doesn't fit what I thought it was going to fit in it, or oh my gosh, I got all my essentials in there and I still have room. So of course, what do? I look for something else to put in it, because, right? Um, so, anyways, that's all I have for you today. I definitely like to thank you for watching. I've gotten some new subscribers. I really appreciate you. Please like, comment, subscribe. I try to respond to all comments, and I would just really like it if you join my channel and hit the like button. Yeah, I think that's about it for now. It's going to be spring. I'm actually going to do a video, I think, too, of just kind of showing you my little rock garden. On the side of our driveway, I like to plant some spring plants. And then I have a couple other really fun colored things I put out, and I think that might be kind of fun. And I noticed that a lot of people that like handbags like color. And so, at least I do. And so I thought that might be kind of fun to show you, too. I usually get flowers for Mother's Day. And so, well, like annuals and perennials, not flowers in the house. But well, I get those too. But anyway, sorry, I digress. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to do unto others as you would have them do unto you. I think that's really, really important, especially nowadays. Be kind. It doesn't hurt to do that. Make someone smile. Give somebody an unexpected compliment. I love to do that when I'm out and about. It really can make somebody's day. And until next time, thanks so much for watching. Bye.